Hello students, this time we are going to deal with infinitive and gerund again. The reason behind is revision and providing the children with the notes. So let's begin with infinitive and gerund. This comes for 2 marks in the board exams. One question will come based on the gerund format and another question will come in the structure of infinitive, and you will be asked to change it vice versa. Now first have a look at the definition of infinitive, then we'll try to solve the examples of infinitive and transform that infinitive into gerund form, and then after that we'll deal with gerund and along with few sentences as well, children. So let's begin. Infinitive is the basic form of a verb. Example: eat, do, make, live, write, etc. These are the basic form of verb. Now infinitive is often used with to, like example: to eat, to do, to make, to live, to write, etc. So this was infinitive with the base form and infinitive used with to in the structure. Now, form of verb with to is called to infinitive. Form of verb without to is called bare infinitive. Understood the difference? The verb which is along with to, we call it as to infinitive, and the verb which is without to, we call it as bare infinitive. Now, infinitive is an important part of sentence construction. Most common and formal concept in English. Infinitive describes the purpose of action used in different situations to clarify the meaning. Infinitive can be either the subject or object in the sentence. Used at the beginning, middle, or end of the sentence. Infinitive can serve as an adjective, an adverb, or a noun. Now let's look at a example, children. First given example over here is George likes to eat coconut oil. Now this is the infinitive form of the verb. Now in the board exams you will be asked to convert this infinitive form into gerund form. Now let's do it, children. George likes to eat coconut oil. To eat is the infinitive highlighted words. Now what we will do, we will remove this to and add ing in the base form of the verb. Now what will be the answer then? George likes eating coconut oil. Remove to, add ing in the verb. To die is better than to surrender. What will be the answer here? Dying is better than surrendering. We have removed to from both the verbs and added ing in die and surrender. So it becomes dying and surrendering. Next is Susan decided not to go out. Susan decided not going out. To learn English is very important today. Learning English is very important today. What are we doing, children? We are changing this infinitive form into gerund form. I don't like to drink cold coffee. Now what will be the answer? I don't like drinking cold coffee. I reached the hilltop to see the view. I reached the hilltop seeing the view. To park car is not allowed here. Parking car is not allowed here. To study English grammar is better for improvement. Studying English grammar is better for improvement. We plan to visit Australia next month. We plan visiting Australia next month. Daniel is finally ready to play. Daniel is finally ready playing. But getting it, children? So simple. If you do nicely, you get 1 mark in your pocket here. It is better to talk with them now. It is better talking with them now. Do they know to write a formal letter? Do they know writing a formal letter? Melissa has finished to read all chapters. Melissa has finished reading all chapters. Here we end with infinitive form of the verb, changing infinitive into gerund form. Gerund form is ing form. Now we have got our definition of gerund form. Gerund is a ing ending word made from verb. Example: eating, doing, making, living, writing, etc. Now, gerund is the present participle, that is ing form of the verb. Present participle means ing. Make it clear. Gerund is a verb form but functions as a noun. Gerund is known as verbal noun. Gerund can be either the subject or object in the sentence. Gerund is an important part of sentence construction. Most common and formal concept in English. Used in different situations to clarify the meaning. Gerund can be either the subject or object in the sentence. Used at the beginning, middle and end of the sentence. Sometimes prepositions are used before gerund to make the sentence meaningful. Here, gerunds are used as the object of a preposition. Now let's have a look at the examples, children. George likes eating coconut oil. George likes to eat coconut oil. This, what we did? George likes eating. Verb is in the ing form, that is gerund form or present participle form. What tried to do? We removed ing and we added to in the verb. George likes to eat coconut oil. This is what we are doing. We are changing the gerund form into infinitive form. 1 mark in your pocket. Remove ing, add to before the verb. Dying is better than surrendering. Verbs are highlighted with a dark color. Dying is better than surrendering. To die is better than to surrender. So simple. Let's go playing football on the ground. Let's go to play football on the ground. I started reading loudly in the class. I started to read loudly in the class. Sleeping in the afternoon is not good for health. Now you try, children. To sleep in the afternoon is not good for health. Stop behaving like a child. Stop to behave like a child. Isn't reading good for improvement? Smith is always interested in singing. Verb is highlighted in singing. Smith is always interested to sing. You're getting it, children? Next is, we enjoy swimming every Sunday. We enjoy to swim every Sunday. Remove ing, add to in the verb. She refused telling me the date of the seminar. She refused to tell me the date of the seminar. We decided helping the COVID-19 victims. They decided to help the COVID-19 victims. Brian doesn't like participating social activities. Brian does not like to participate social activities. I enjoy driving with my father. I enjoy to drive with my father. I hate the idea of getting old. I hate the idea of I hate the idea to get old. Julie is very clever at solving maths problems. Julie is very clear to solve maths problems. Have you got anything for decorating the house? Have you got anything to decorate the house? As simple as that, children. 2 marks. You are ready with it. Only remove to and add ing if the infinitive question is given and you are asked to change that infinitive into gerund form. And if the gerund form is given, means the verb is highlighted with the ing addition. So remove the ing and add to before the verb. Understood, children?